Abantu batana noyo mo abo banyarete ko basamba abangina banasoko bakagera ko babarogi chinsemo chemarani babere bakuburia serikali asama tukamaiga oseke gambero kenyare kwa bwatoka ase cashbell no nabo asiri tukulia lero ekigambero imeyo mocho bosongo nigo bategerere kinekyo ase bate abuna igo barachikorwoko na chachi tariki 15 omutinye 12 gose batana no mabu kubwato kubale aso wakana e cashbell.
And in particular case which you are handling, what has happened has shaken Kenya, has shaken the entire world. Killing of old women is something that we have to make sure that it's not repeated in the country in future. And this is provided for in our constitution. It is also provided for in international instruments that old men and old women have to be respected, they have to be given comfort, but not to be killed the way this happened in Kisii.